Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this Saitek Pro Flight Switch panel. As you can see, it's an integral part of the full flight simulator setup, and it's super cool. You know, when you're using a flight simulator, you have the option to just use your mouse on the computer to click through all your control panel, but this gives you a much more realistic experience. You have here switches and controls that are much more like you're actually flying a real plane. You've got your battery, you even have an option to turn your engine of your plane on and off here, and you can put your gears up and down. So this is just really fun. We've been playing with this flight simulator software and having a great time. My husband's a private pilot, and when he can't fly real planes, he loves to be able to fly this. It really brings some excitement, and it's been really fun for me as well. So I think this is such a nice part of this setup. It really gives you more of a real life experience, and I hope that you will get as much joy out of it as we have. And that's my point of view.